Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials: a CarPlay-capable head unit and an iPhone with supported iOS. Once done, plug the dongle into the car's USB port and power the ignition to ACC so the head unit initializes. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on in your iPhone settings. The dongle uses both to negotiate connection and stream data. Now pair the dongle via Bluetooth. Select its name on your phone and accept any pairing prompts to begin the handshake. With pairing complete, switch the head unit to the CarPlay or wireless source so it looks for the dongle. On your iPhone, accept any trust or permission dialogues. This grants contacts, maps, and notification access that CarPlay needs. If the dongle offers a companion app, open it to check firmware. Outdated firmware is the most common cause of drops, so update via app or a USB firmware file. Once firmware and permissions are set, the phone and head unit will complete the secure session. Finish by testing audio, Siri voice commands, navigation routing, and phone calls to confirm full functionality under real use. If you encounter disconnects or lag, first reboot your iPhone and unplug, then reinsert the dongle. Repairing often clears handshaking errors. If issues persist, try a different Lightning cable and a different car USB port. Low power or dirty contacts cause instability. As a last resort, reset network settings on the iPhone, recheck firmware, and contact the dongle maker for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.